Hello everyone, myself Surya from second BCom of KCS Karnataka College of Arts and Science. Today we see on topic of stages in formation of a company in company law subject. As we all know, modern day business requires a large amount of money because day by day competition is increasing, technology is changing very fastly, risk is increasing. As a result, a company form of organization is the best for starting a medium or a large sized organizations. As you know, the formation of a company is complex activity in which a lot of legal formalities and procedures are including. So let us understand the procedure in detail. The formalities are divided into three stages: promotion, incorporation, and capital subscription. Remember, these stages are applied for formation of any kind of a company, whether it is a public company or a private company. In case of private company, they cannot raise funds from the public, so they need to issue prospectus and complete the formalities of minimum subscription. Prospectus is a document inviting general public for subscription of shares of the company. Promotion. Now let's see the first stage, promotion of the company. Promotion is the first stage in the formation of the company. It involves discovering of ideas of our new business and taking initiatives to form the company so the practical shape can be given to take advantages of business opportunities. Promotion. Any person, group of persons, or even a company proceeds to form a company, then they are called promoters of the company. Promoters bring together men, material, machinery, money, and management. According to Companies Act 2013, Section 92, promoters are the persons whose name in written prospectus or in an annual return, which is described by the company, or who has control over the affairs of the company directly or indirectly, like directors or shareholders, or whose advice direct or instruct the board of directors of the company. They are called promoters. Remember, it is not applied to the person professionally working in the office. Promoters performs various functions to bring the company into existence. They are identification of business opportunities, and then feasibility studies, and then name approval, and upon fixing up signatories to memorandum of association, appointment of professionals, preparation of necessary documents. After completing the first stage, the next step is incorporation. Here, promoter make an application for incorporation of the company. The application has to be filled with the register of the companies of the state within which the plan to establish register office of the company. We also have to submit certain documents with application like a memorandum of association, articles of association, written consent of proposed directors, register letter of name approval, a notice of an exact address of register office of the company, and the latest documentary evidence of a payment of registration fees. After submission of application along with the required documents, when registrar is satisfied, they issue a certificate of incorporation. It is called the birth certificate of the company. With effect from November 1, 2010, Register of Companies also allows a CIN, corporate identity number, of the company. Third stage of formation of a company is capital subscription. After issuing certificate of incorporation, a private company can commence and start its business. But in case of public company, has to perform a third stage and get a certificate of commencement. A public company can raise the required funds from the public by issuing shares or debentures to the public. For the company has to issue prospectus. Let's see the required for raising funds from the public. First, SEBI's approvals, and then filling of prospectus and appointment of bankers, brokers, and underwriters, and the minimum subscriptions, application of a stock exchange, allotment of shares. After the required steps are completed, the certificate of commencement is issued. Then the public company can start its business and earn some profits. Thank you.